Samsung Galaxy Note phones are among the most popular and powerful Android devices, but Samsung may have ended the Note branding, though the lineup lives on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. We have important news that might change the way you use Samsung's foldables, especially the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Samsung is the undisputed pioneer of the foldable phone, and its Galaxy Z Fold 4 is indeed the best foldable currently available for purchase. The Z Fold 4's spot at the top has more to do with software polish and rivals' lack of market availability than the actual folding mechanism. Xiaomi's Mix Fold 2, for example, is significantly thinner. Vivo's X Fold and Huawei's Mate X2 have more advanced camera system with larger camera sensor and periscope zoom lenses. The Z Fold 4 is still best because it has the most refined software with the strongest third-party app support, the most practical multitasking system, plus extra peace of mind features like an official IP water resistance rating. But there is no denying that if we judge these devices purely on hardware and particularly the parts that bend and fold, Samsung Foldable lags behind the competition. So a few things that Samsung can improve with the inevitable Z Fold 5. They improved camera system, but it might stick with the triple camera array. Moreover, Samsung might include an ISOCELL GN 350 megapixels main sensor along with 12 megapixel ultra-wide and 10 megapixel telephoto lens. Also, rumors says there might be a slight improvement in the front-facing camera, so instead of 10 megapixel they might boast a 12 megapixel selfie camera. In terms of performance, these upcoming smartphones are expected to be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The Galaxy Z Fold series gained support for Samsung's S Pen in 2021, but unlike the popular Galaxy Note series, the S Pen didn't come included with the phone, and there's no place in the Fold's body to hold the stylus. This means the S Pen isn't only an additional purchase, but most users would also have to buy a special case just to keep the stylus with the phone. Wouldn't it be nice if Samsung just built a silo into the base of the Z Fold 5, where the S Pen can go? This was after all one of the major selling point of the Galaxy Note series, which the Z Fold series sort of replaced. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.